the basic Lucene model workflow in Lucene. Here you can see the basic Lucene basic Lucene model workflow. The Lucene, as we know, is a powerful and efficient search engine that provides a vast range of text searching techniques as per your user requirement. Lucene is much more than any other text searching engine, as choices given to the user are not discriminators on any basis. It has powerful and strong searching algorithms that support a wide range of queries for searching. Lucene application have the basic cycle, which primarily comprises of first indexing data, on which searching is the first indexing data on which the searching is performed at a specific path. The data added can be in any textual form as per user's needs. Data is indexed and tokenized, and then searching is performed on these tokens using queries. This is a two-way process, as it includes first processing of data and then searching on it. Component of Lucene. In order to use Lucene for text searching, let us take a close look at the main API used by Lucene. Please note that it is not a complete guide for the using. However, it will help you to get understanding of basic and radical Lucene API. Following is the API used to build Lucene based solution. The directory. It is the base class that defines where the indexes are performed. Document. It contains the data that is to be indexed. Analyzer. While the data is being indexed, the analyzer decided the criteria on the basis of which tokenizing and searching is done on data. Similarly, it is used while querying data, which also involve tokenization. Index writer. Documents which are created beforehand are passed to the directly using this class. One index writer can be opened at a time. Index reader. Every directory where the index are created may have readers open on it, which is responsible for reading data from the indexes. Index searcher. The search is responsible for querying the data through the readers. Directory. This class is a representation of the location where Lucene indexes are stored. A directory needs to be open for maintaining indexes so that the further operations can be performed on them. Document. Document is a collection of fields. These fields contain textual data as value assigned against a field name. The value is the data that you want to index, and then more searchable for future. With every field, a user can specify whether he wants to analyze that field value or not. Document is basically a unit of search which will be returned when the field is searched against searched item. Analyzer. Analyzer has the prime responsibility of tokenizing the data into a smaller chunk as per the type provided. It basically passes the field of the document into indexable tokens. The way of data being analyzed by the analyzer influences the user's ability to search data. There are for basic analysis, white space analyzer, standard analyzer, simple analyzer, and stop analyzer. Index writer. In order to add document and index it, we need an index writer. The writer needs a valid Lucene directory where the document is to be indexed and analyzer, so that the writer analyzes the data according to it. Writer corresponds with the analyzer for the index data and then adds the result to the directory for storage of data. Precisely, the writer is responsible for all the write operations to be correctly performed on the data and then store it. There is a set of operations that can be performed on the writer, and the writer is disposed after all operations. Index reader. The main functionality of Lucene is to search data added previously. For this purpose, we have the index reader, which reads the data from the directory. On every update in the documents, the index reader needs to be reinitialized. You can either create index reader or get an instance of index reader from index writer. You pass the directory instance to the reader, which has all the documents indexed. Index searcher is an initialized with the instance of index reader, which takes a query from the user and searches the data accordingly. A query is an abstract class provided by the Lucene's and is used to define scope and type of the searching to be performed. On searching, we are returned with the top docs, which is the result of searching with the query. Now that the query is created, you pass the query using the query parser. Analyzer is passed to the query parser, which passes the query according to that analyzer. Moreover, the field name is added to the document is passed to the query searcher, so that the searches the data accordingly. An array is maintained in the top docs, which is known as score docs. Score docs will maintain the search result on a query execution basis. On iterating over this array, the resultant data can be retrieved. The recommendation the analyzer used for searching is recommended to be the same with which the data was indexed at the first place. Here you can see a document in the raw form is connected to read content. Read content is connected to analyze document. Analyze document is connected to analyzer. Analyze is connected to index document. Index document is connected to index directory. Search content is connected to build query. Build query is connected to run query. Run query interacts with index directory, and run query is connected to get results. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.